The unboxing experience is clean, straightforward, and clearly aligned with the product's minimalist philosophy. Inside the box, the 9-in-1 USB Type-C laptop docking station stand is securely packaged to prevent movement or damage during transport. Alongside the stand, an USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, which is essential for both data transfer and power delivery, as well as an English user manual that clearly outlines setup requirements and compatibility considerations. There is no unnecessary packaging or decorative filler. Everything included serves a clear, functional purpose. From the first interaction, it is evident that this product is designed for daily, real-world use. Something meant to be folded, deployed, connected, and packed away repeatedly without complication. Build quality is one of this stand's strongest points. Constructed from premium aluminum alloy, the stand feels rigid, stable, and confidence-inspiring. Even with larger laptops, there is no wobble or flex during typing. The triangular support structure does an excellent job of distributing weight. Non-slip silicone pads keep the laptop firmly in place while also protecting it from scratches. The open, forward tilt design improves airflow, allowing better heat dissipation compared to laying a laptop flat on a desk. This is particularly useful when driving external displays or charging at higher wattages. Despite its solid construction, the stand remains impressively portable. When folded, it collapses down to a slim profile, making it easy to slip into a backpack or carry-on bag. After extended daily use, the Mukiya 9-in-1 USB Type-C laptop docking station stand proves itself as a smart, well-executed solution for modern work environments. It delivers strong build quality, excellent ergonomics, reliable connectivity, and true portability in a single, cohesive product. This is an ideal accessory for professionals who value a clean desk, improved posture, and simplified connectivity, whether working from home, in an office, or on the move. Instead of managing a stand, a hub, and multiple adapters, Mukiya offers a single device that does it all, and does it well. For anyone building a minimalist, efficient workstation around a USB-C laptop, this docking station stand is not just a convenience, it is a genuine upgrade to the daily working experience. Once placed on the desk, this docking station stand immediately becomes the visual and functional centerpiece of the workspace. The 9-level adjustable height system allows precise control over screen positioning. This makes it easy to raise the laptop display closer to eye level, significantly improving posture and reducing neck and shoulder strain during long work sessions. The integrated docking system is seamlessly built into the stand's base, with ports positioned for easy access without disrupting cable routing. The idea is simple but effective. Connect a single USB-C cable to your laptop, and everything else, external displays, power delivery, peripherals, and storage, connects through the stand itself. This approach dramatically reduces desk clutter and eliminates the usual tangle of hubs and dangling cables.